Hi, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. See, in this video we are going to understand one of the important topic under time, speed, distance, that is concept of trains. If you have not watched this video and this video episode 1 and episode 2, please go through that first and come back to watch this, because if you don't know that too, then probably you will not be understanding clearly, because fundamentals are very important. I have explained clearly about a time, speed, distance in these two videos. Please go through that first and come back to watch this. And in this video we are going to understand concept of trains, how to solve the problems on trains very clearly. First of all, we go through the theories and we understand by solving some problems. Okay, we are going to learn this concept with love. Without wasting time, let's go, brother.
Trains. See, before I go and explain about this concept, we need to understand another important concept, that is relative speed. Relative speed. Because I'm going to apply this concept to solve the problems of trains. Probably few people have gone through relative speed problems whenever you studied a second PUC at 12th grade, like a bus moving in this direction. Whenever you're sitting in the bus will be moving. You will observe the trees or the people will be going opposite to you. See, that is what relative speed. Or otherwise, I could explain like two objects. Consider two objects moving the direction with a speed of x kilometer per hour. Let's take this object. In our case, because we are solving the trains problem, let us consider train 1 object as a train 1. Train 1. Okay, this is train 2. 2. Train 1 moving with respect to x kilometer per hour. Train 2 is moving with respect to y kilometer per hour. Let us consider. Okay, relative speed means a speed of a train 1. In this case, speed of a train 1 with respect to train 2 is called a relative speed. Means a moving body, maybe train, maybe car, maybe anything, with respect to another moving body, that speed is called relative speed. For example, in this case, first case, consider first case. If both, in our case, both trains are moving the same direction. If both are moving, or objects or trains or car or anything moving the same direction, then the relative speed will become x minus y. In our case, I already consider the speed x and y as x and y. So x minus y kilometer per hour. This is a relative speed. RS means relative speed. Second case, when the objects are moving in the opposite direction, then relative speed will become x plus y. We need to add the speeds of two objects. Okay, whenever I solve the problems, you will understand clearly. Just remember this case. First condition is when both objects are moving in the same direction, then we are going to subtract minus. And whenever both objects are moving the opposite direction, we are going to add. Just remember these conditions. We are going to solve the problems, then you will definitely understand clearly. Okay, okay, then next, see, let's solve this problem. You'll understand clearly about that concept. The distance between two plates A and B is 2100 kilometer. Two men started from A and B simultaneously towards each other. The speed of two are 50 kilometer per hour and 20 kilometer per hour respectively. How long will they take to meet each other for the first time? See, whenever you are studying, whenever you're reading the problem, please understand what they are actually asking. In our case, in this problem, they are asking how long. That means they are asking time to meet each other for the first time. Okay, write down the given data. The distance between two places A and B, let us consider this is a A place, this is a B place. They have given 20, that is 2100 kilometer is the distance. Okay, two men started from A and B. Let's take first person is here, second person is here. Simultaneously means they both start at same time towards each other, means they're moving towards each other, means opposite direction. Okay, the speed of two are 50 kilometer per hour, already given that. First person moving with respect to 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, second person 20 kilometer per hour. Just a minute. kilometer per hour. Okay, how long will they take to meet each other for the first time? They're asking time. Let us consider they will meet at this point. Just consider p point. Okay, means they start at the same time, so they will meet at this point. That means both will take same time. A takes same time as with respect to b also, because both are started at the same time. Let us consider at what time they will meet. Okay, let's solve that. We know that formula, we know the fundamental formula of time speed distance. Just apply that, you will get the answer. Speed is equals to distance by time. We need time, just cross multiply distance by speed. So what is the distance? In our case, 2100. They already given distance between A and B, that is 2100. Okay, good. What is speed? So speed is two objects are moving in the opposite direction. What is the speed? I already told, when the both objects are two objects are moving in the opposite direction, we need to add the speeds plus. Okay, like relative speed means I'm writing as a RS short form. Relative speed of first person or second is 50 plus 20, that is 70 kilometer per hour. See, units are very important. This is the relative speed. So with the speed, means in place of speed, we are going to write the relative speed, that is 70 kilometer per hour. Just divide 30, that is 30 hours. Always remember, units are very important. I already explained the first video how to convert the units. If you don't know, please go and watch that video. So time is 30 hours. So both persons, the person who is standing at A and both and the B, both take 30 hours to meet at point B. Okay, that is all. Means this is how we apply the concept of relative speed. We understood the concept of relative speed. I think everybody are clear with this. So if you are clear, now we are going to understand trains. See, there are three conditions in trains. First one, train crossing the pole. Train crossing a pole, okay, or train crossing platform, or train crossing another train. These are the three conditions where we are going to solve the problems based on the trains. Okay, especially there they will be asking on this only. First condition, let us say, let's take this a first, this is second, this is third one. We're going to understand this concept with a formula also. First condition, when train crossing a pole, let's take this is a train, this is a pole, it's their pole. If if the train should cross the pole completely, means what is a formula? Means they will ask based on time, what time does train took to cross the pole? What is the time taken by the train to cross the pole? So the formula will become, we know that speed is equals to distance by time. Just apply the fundamental formula, you will definitely get a solution to all the problems. Let's take, they're asking time, so time is equals to distance by speed. Distance is what? Train length, length of a train. Okay, remember this formula, length of a train. We are right above, length of a train by speed of a train. Speed of a train. This is a formula to find the time taken by the train to cross the pole. Because you can ask me in this condition, why are we not considering the width of the pole or width of a person? For example, anybody who's standing here, why do I'm not considering the width of the pole? Because the width of the pole is too less means it's a negligible width, so we are not focusing on that, we are neglecting that width, so just we are taking this length of the train. Okay, let's consider this one as L. We are taking length of a train in this condition. So this is a formula. Whenever the question will be given, if a man or if a pole is there, how much time taken will, how much the train will take to cross the pole or man, that time you just you just want to use this formula to solve such type of problems. Okay, we'll be solving based on this so many problems, then you will understand clearly. Don't worry, just understand the formula, Time is equals to length of a train by speed of a train. This is a formula we are going to use when they ask like time taken by the train to cross the pole or a man. Okay. Second condition, when train crosses, train crossing. See, my handwriting is not perfect, man. Crossing, not that much good also. Okay. Train crossing platform. Okay. Train crossing platform. Let us take this is a platform. This is a train. It's a train. This is a platform. See what is the formula? Time taken to cross the train. Time taken to cross the platform by the train. The formula will be time is equals to length of train plus length of platform. Length of a train plus length of a platform by speed of train. For example, let's consider train is here. See if it should completely cross the platform, it should completely cross this length. That means length of a platform. It should cross this length of a platform and length of a train. It should come up to here. It will come. The front side of a train will come here. It started from here. If we take the reference point as this one, it should completely cross this platform. It should come up to here. That is length of a platform plus length of a train. That is this much distance it is covered. Okay. I think it takes some time. Whenever we solve the problems, you'll understand, don't worry. So the formula is this one, time, that is t is equals to length of a train plus length of a platform divided by speed of a train. For the second condition, that is train, the time taken by the train to cover the platform or to cross the platform. Okay. Third most important condition, that is two trains are crossing each other. Two trains are crossing each other. Okay. This is a mostly famous means because so many questions will be asked based on these conditions only. Okay, what is the formula? Say for example, this is the train one, this is the train two, it's the train two, train one, train two. If they are moving in the opposite direction, what is the formula? We know that speed is equals to distance by time. Just cross multiply time divided by swap. That is distance by speed. See what is the distance? Let us take this is a length of a train one length like L1. This is the L2. See, if two trains should cross each other, means they should go with the two lengths L1 and L2. So the formula will be length of train 1 plus length of train 2 divided by, tell me what is the speed. I already explained, if two bodies or two moving bodies are like in our case trains are moving opposite, means what will be the speed? It will become a relative speed. So relative speed will be when both are moving in the opposite direction, the relative speed will be added. That is what speed of train 1 plus speed of train 2. Remember this, okay? This is a formula we will be using when two trains are moving opposite. Note down these formulas actually. These are all very important. Okay, if two trains are moving the same direction, then what will be the time taken by the trains to cross each other? Okay, so what will be? Same thing, time is equals to distance by speed. Distance will be length of train 1 plus length of train 2 divided by, so when both objects or trains are moving with the same direction, I already told we are going to subtract the speeds, then relative speed will be speed of faster train. Okay, remember here, speed of a faster train, speed of faster train minus speed of slower train. Train. Okay, this is what we are going to use these formulas, because it will be very, this will be very helpful. Okay, we will be using this type of formulas to solve the problems of trains. Okay, This is the third important condition. This is the third important concept of trains, that is trains moving, two trains crossing each other. Okay, and then now we are going to solve some problems based on these, and to understand clearly about this concept, few problems I'm going to explain to you step by step. I'll go slowly because everybody should understand. Okay, let's go. A train crosses a pole in 20 seconds. If the length of the train is 300 meters, then find the speed of the train. What they are asking? Speed of the train. They're asking speed. Okay. A train crosses a pole in 20 seconds. Write down the given data. They have given time 20 seconds. Train crosses the pole in 20 seconds. Length of a train they have given. Length of train they have given as 300 meters. Okay, then find the speed. We know that how to calculate speed is equals to distance by time. What is the distance? That is what? Length of train. I already told, I already explained this concept clearly. Okay, length of the train. Time is they already given 20 seconds. 20 seconds, just apply this one. Length of a train is what? 300. 300 by 20. That is 15. Whether they are given in a meters or kilometers, just check it once because units are very important. They are already given here meter means length in the meters, time in the second, so no kilometers, just a meter per second. So speed is 15 meter per second. Okay, in options they will be giving like 15 kilometer per seconds. Okay, observe clearly what units they have been given. Okay, in our case speed is 15 meter per second. This is the answer. So this is a formula, very important formula. Means length, that is time, length of the train by time. Okay, next we are going to solve another problem. This is also very simple. Whatever I explained, just apply that concept. A train of a length 500 meter crosses a platform of length 300 meters in 40 seconds. What is the speed of a train? They're asking what is the speed of a train. They're asking speed again. Okay. Right on the given data. Train of a length. They are given length of train. Train length they are given. So 500 meters. Okay. And platform length. Length of platform. They are already given length of platform. 300 meters, and they have given crosses a platform of length 300 meter in 40 seconds. They are already given time 40 seconds. Okay, see, most probably they will ask time only. What is the time taken? You can whatever you want, whether you they are asking speed or they are asking the distance, length. You can convert the formula however you want actually. However, the question required, however the problem can be solved, like that you can convert. In our case, what is answer? We know that speed is equals to length of, write down the formula. I already explained when what is the formula for train crossing the platform means length of train. I'm just writing with a short form, length of train plus length of platform. Length of platform divided by time. What is the length of train? Already given as 500 meters. Okay, 500 meters. Length of what is this platform? 300 meters. Okay, what is the time given? 40 seconds. Just add it. 40, 20, that is 20 meter per second. So speed is equals to 20 meter per second. This is what answer. Okay, if they are asking in the kilometer per second, you need to convert. That is, I already told 1 meter per second is what? 1 meter per second is equals to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is a unit conversion. 18 by 5. If you don't know this, go and watch the first video. You'll understand. Okay, let's solve this problem. This is a third condition. That is what? Two trains are crossing each other. Two trains crossing each other. Okay. Read the question clearly, then you will understand. A fast moving train crosses a passenger train in 40 seconds. Okay, the speed of a faster train is 140, 140 kilometer per hour, and speed of a slow train is 50 kilometer per hour. Also, the length of a faster train is 200-meter, find the length of a slow train when both the trains are moving in the same direction. See, clearly observe here what they're actually asking. They're asking length of a slow train. Okay, very important. They are asking length of a slow train. And next is you need to observe the units they have given. Okay, first take down the given data. See, fast moving train crosses a passenger train. That means two trains are there. One is a fast moving train. See, I'm saying directly because I think you understand fast moving train. This is a train one. Let us take the train one, fast moving train. Okay. Second one. Okay. Don't worry. Yeah. I'm going to write clearly. Let's take two trains are there. Train one, that is a fast moving train. Fast moving train. And second train two is passenger train. Passenger train. Okay. Already mentioned that train crosses a fast moving train crosses a passenger train in 40 seconds. They have given time as 40 seconds. And the speed of a faster than this one fast moving train speed they already given. Let us consider as S1, that is 140 kilometer per hour. Okay. And second one they have given speed of a slow train, that is 50 kilometer per hour. Let us take this is as S2. Okay. Also, length of a faster train. Let's take a length. Let's consider L1 as a train length of a train one faster train. That is what 200 meters. Okay, and length of a slower train. They are asking. Let us consider L2 as a train two length. Okay. So what we need to find length of a slower train. That is train two. See here, they have given a clue that is called trains are moving in the same direction. You need to observe clearly. Then only you will get to know. If the two bodies or two trains are moving in the same direction, let us take it like this only diagram. Consider like this. Train 1 and train 2 moving in the same direction. What is the relative speed? I already told relative speed will be speed of a train 1 minus speed of a train 2. That is what? Speed of a faster train minus speed of a slower train. Speed of faster train is what? S1 minus S2. So what is our relative speed here? In our case, I already written there. See, speed of a faster train is 140, speed of a slow train is 50. So write down here, relative speed is equals to 140 minus 50, how much? That is 90 kilometer per hour. And you observe here the units, they have given length in the meters and time in the seconds. So here, kilometer per hour. Either you need to convert these two, either you need to convert this one. What is the simple? Converting this one, because I already told how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Like, just I'll solve this one. Okay, 90 kilometer per hour. How to solve? Just multiply with 5 by 18. You'll get 18 ones are 18 fives are 5 fives are 25 meter per second. So relative speed is 25 meter per second. Okay. See, if you don't know this conversion, please go through my first video. I'm saying again and again. Okay. So we got relative speed, and what is a formula to find time or speed or maybe length? See, just apply that whatever I told the third condition. The write down the formula, you'll understand clearly. What is that? Time is equals to length of train one plus length of train two divided by speed of a faster train. What is the speed of faster train? That is what speed one I already consider as a S1, and with the same direction means what? Negative, that is minus S2, that is slower train speed. What is the length of train one? Train one they have given length, that is 200 meters. They have given, see here, 200 meters. Okay, we need to find length 2, 200. Okay, we need to find length 2, that is, let us consider x. What is speed of S1 minus S2? That is relative speed RS. I already found here 25 meter per second. Just write down here 25. What is the time they have given already? That is what 40 seconds. See here, 40 seconds. So write down here 40 seconds. Solve this one, you will get the answer. 40 into 25 is equals to 200 plus x. What is 40 into 25? That is 1000 minus 200 is equals to x. What is answer? 800 into 800 is equal to x. That is x is equals to 800 meters, not a kilometers, because we already converted 800 meters. That is length of a train to L2. Okay, we found length of a slower train is 800 meters. This is what how to solve the problems on trains. And not only this, I solved few questions to clarify what is a concept first of all, and I'm going to solve so many questions based on these concepts in the upcoming videos. Until then, you please wait.
So this is all the concept of trains, and we understood how to solve the problems of trains. And next video I'm going to come up with one of the important and interesting concept called boats and streams under the time, speed, distance. You know what to do. Just be in touch with me, and if you have any doubts, see, I don't have any problem. If you comment me, you can comment me if you have any doubts. And by saying this, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends and my lovely viewers, I'll end up this video. Thank you so much. Just be in touch with me. I'm going to upload another video about boats and streams. Thank you so much. Thank you, Anadal. Bye bye.